Alright guys, we're back in the AOMC showroom, and wanted to show you guys this bike. This is what I've been more excited about than anything, because you guys know my obsession with gray. Yes, they decided to put gray on the KTM. I guess it would be the EXCs and XCWs for 2021. So to me, it's a good shade of gray. Not too dark, not too light. They put it up here with a little two-tone lighter gray where the blue is on the motocross bikes, and they also put it on the fork guards. It's hard to see this camera and this light, but it looks so good. It's like just teasing me, because when I bought my last bike, I couldn't decide if I wanted to do 450 SXF or a 500 EXC. And I went with a new moto bike. I figured that was more important since I have so many dual sports. And man, now it's just teasing me. Especially all the gray on this side with the airbox cover. It looks good. So, my next bike will probably either be a 500 EXC just like this, or a 690 Enduro R. Still undecided. Love them both. But I just like this so much better than the white. I wouldn't even mind if it's black. I just don't like the white. I understand it makes sense on the motocross bike for scoring regulations and stuff, but on the trail bikes or on the enduro bikes or on the dual sports, it doesn't make sense. It gets dingy quick. This should look good for a long time. Our bike, isn't it? Alright guys, thanks for watching the channel as always. Just a little reminder, about 95% of you guys that watch these videos aren't subscribed. So if you get any value out of these at all, if you could just hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, that would help me out so much. That's the best way you can support me. It doesn't cost you $1. I appreciate it, and see you in the next one.